I love the QUIK-LOK attachment system. Works so good, the speed and versatility of it all, and the efficiency of changing it immediately when you're out there in the field.
I love the ability to change out the attachments. We can be a one-stop shop. We can be string trimming and then switch over to the cultivator. We don't have to have multiple tools. We have one power head and then we have multiple attachments.
QUIK-LOK system has been excellent, and the longevity of the battery has been good as well.
Good torque, good power. I like more than gasoline.
Very impressed with the performance. The power is there when you need it. Hit the trigger and it's on. It's strong. It's getting it done on a commercial basis. We definitely have all the power we need.